Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're ready to digitize a photo, open Photo Scan, and give it camera access so the app can work. Tap to start, then align the frame tightly around the print. The app needs the edges clear. Move closer if the face fills less of the screen. Make sure there's even light to reduce shadows. Once framed, hold steady and prepare to follow the on-screen circles. This first step sets the scan quality, so be deliberate and calm. You'll see 4 white circles. Move your phone so the guide centers on each one, tapping only if needed. The app captures multiple angles to remove glare and flatten perspective, so move smoothly and keep the photo stationary. If the app warns of blur, relax your grip and try again. Stability improves sharpness. Once it stitches the images, review the composite preview. Make sure edges look straight, because this middle phase determines perspective correction and final clarity. You've got the stitched image. Now crop to remove background and rotate to true orientation. You can save locally or back up to cloud storage. Use the Enhance and Color tools to restore faded tones, because Photo Scan preserves detail but not every color shift. Once done, export a high-resolution copy for editing elsewhere. If glare, blur, or misalignment remain, retake the scan under Softer, diffuse light, and steady.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.